exclusive Radio Disney interview with the Jonas Brothers. So this is the Jonas Brothers hanging out now on Radio Disney. And speaking of movies, we have a big one for you guys coming out later this year, Camp Rock.
Camp Rock.
You guys want to talk about that for a minute?
Yes, I actually saw a commercial for it. Ooh, excuse me, wow, that's so funny. Hey, guess what? This is what happens when you drink, like, soda. And it just
Yeah, totally.
comes
Just so
out.
everybody knows, the Jonas Brothers are in here. They're chowing like on a late lunch right now.
It's your
On the
turn,
radio.
Al. It's your turn. Go ahead, do it.
I can't burp on command, though.
I can.
Really?
Kevin can.
Was that a cue for me to do
I'm
it?
waiting for you to do it. Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
Go for it.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Wow.
Yes! Amazing!
I think we need a new microphone.
Yeah, sorry guys.
You know, it doesn't matter how old or young you are. There are two things that are just really funny, like burping and farting. It's true. Doesn't
It's
matter.
so true.
Especially Jonas Brothers burping and farting.
Man, that was a good one.
Yeah, I think it's funny though.
that
People think
had depth.
some people like some of the fans sometimes think that we don't like burp. Like they just, I don't think they realize that like we're just totally normal guys who it's funny.
Who burp. And fart.
Kevin,
How did we get on this subject? I don't know.
I burped.
It was Nick's fault.
What I was saying was I saw a commercial for Camp Rock last night actually on Disney Channel, and it was so awesome. It was the first time I've ever seen it on TV, and I was really excited about it. But
Yeah.
we shot it up in Canada about how long ago?
It was in
September of last year.
feels like forever ago.
Yeah.
We were so excited for everyone to see it.
So, Joe, what's the movie basically about? Can you give us like a little, or whatever you can talk about?
Sure. The movie is about a young girl, Mitchie, who's finally gets a chance to go to this camp that she's always wanted to go to, called Camp Rock. It's like a music camp. It has all these different types of music that people like to do at the camp. And our characters we're Connect 3, a band who travels the world, kind of just like what we do. And my character is Shane Gray, and he's in the band, and he kind of loses his way, and kind of in doing the music, he kind of like gets a big head, and his band members decide that it's time for him to go back to Camp Rock and get back to his roots. They send me back to the camp,
Yeah.
and there I find, Mitchie, and we connect, and it's a great story, and it goes on from there.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and we cannot wait for everyone to see our acting. Well, it's our debut. It's kind of our debut.
Your acting debut.
Kind of. Well, we did the thing on the Hannah Montana show, which was pretty much our acting debuts. But like, this is like a movie. So our movie debut. There we go. So we're really, really, really excited about all our fans seeing it, and it's gonna be cool. And I think who knows? Hopefully, my character is really funny. I'm a little bit of in my own world, I'll say. So I enjoy the small things in life.
Kind of like real life then, almost.
Yeah, kind of. I'm kind of out there. I like playing that role. It's kind of fun to be a little